Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeff Anozie, and on this channel today I have some fantastic offers for you right here in Golf Annex Estate Phase 1 and Phase 2 right here in Enugu State, Nigeria. Welcome to Golf Annex Estate. Golf Annex is an estate by the Enugu State Ministry of Lands. Enugu State Ministry of Lands, and it's a properly built up estate. Like you can see, it's a built up estate. The estate plan is amazing, as I'll be showing you right here in a moment. Now, in Golf Annex Estate Phase 1, we have a couple of offers. This particular land we are looking at right now is a land that is very close to the entrance. It's quite close to the entrance. It is in a very built up environment. As you can see, houses everywhere around this place. People are building, people have moved in. The roads are tarred, the drainages are well built. The place is 100% dry land. The topography is just on point. This particular plot, there are 3 plots here. There are 2 corner plots and then one that is not a corner plot. They are going for 25 million naira, first come first serve. All right, now we have other plots within the same environment that are going for 22 million naira. We have for 21 million naira within this same environment. Okay, but either ways, you can see the roads are properly built, the drainages are on point, the environment is amazing, and you can build what you like. However, make sure, considering the environment, it just makes sense to build a very nice house, either a duplex or a bungalow, right? A couple of people are building a block of flats as well for rentals within the same Golf Estate Annex. All right, Golf Estate Annex Phase 1 or Phase 2. Okay, now here's the thing. Once you pay the 25 million, 21 or 22 million, depending on the particular plot you choose, you don't need to pay any other thing. All you have to do is to come and start your building. That's amazing. Of course, you get to pay all those SWAMA, all the fencing permits and all of that. That is normal. There's no other thing to be paid on the land, okay, once you have paid for your property. And up there on that hill is where Phase 2 is. Okay, that's where Phase 2 is. We're going to be showing you a bit of Phase 2. This is Phase 1. Where we're standing right now is Phase 1, and that's the road. Straight down that road leads to Phase 2. Okay, Phase 2 is still quite underdeveloped. However, of course, it's still going to take on this plan that Phase 1 has. Phase 2 is a lot more affordable. Okay, this is the road leading to the Phase 2. Is a lot more affordable, as plots there go from 7 million. Like you can see the road leading to Phase 2 right here. That's the road leading straight to Phase 2. So go ahead and call me now. Call the number on your screen, all right, to partake in this amazing offer at Golf Estate Annex Phase 1 and Phase 2. Okay, you're going to be getting a government allocation, an allocation letter once you make your payment. And this is a juicy offer. Now, the interesting thing about this place is that as at this time last year, I'm talking about August last year, 2020, this place was selling for somewhere around 8.59 million naira per plot. But as development comes, now this is the road that leads to the Phase 2. This is the road leading to Golf Annex Phase 2. Straight down this road, climbs up on the hill, all right, and all over this entire environment is Golf Annex Phase 2. Okay, this way, down this road. Okay, so as I was explaining, Golf Annex Phase 1, as at last year, was selling for just between 8.5 9 million naira a plot. Now, this is the same area or environment that currently now sells for 25, 26, 27 million naira plot. All right, so hurry up and grab this offer. I know you don't want to miss this. This plot, this corner plot right here you're seeing is for sale. All right, so call me now on 0809-6737-668 and let us discuss. Let's come for inspection and discuss your payment plan right here in Golf Annex. I look forward to seeing you and enjoy a fantastic day. Bye for now.